The VA has different levels of programs that's available for the veterans that a lot of veterans don't know about. They don't understand that there is a program available for them and that they can get it done, get to where they can live in their homes more free and more independent than they do. They need to understand that they earned that. We earned it whenever we was in service away from our families, overseas or in the wartime. They earned that. We went in to fight for our country and to keep our country free as it is. But after we put our time in, now it's time for the VA to take care of us. We're not just a handout, it's what we've worked for. There's different ones can be done for just safety in a bathroom, take a shower. That's under a HISP grant that you can apply for. And Mr. Handyman is capable of doing even that smaller one. That one's only for like $6,800 is the time I had mine done. This project Mr. Handyman's working on now is a $110,000 project, but they had to do a whole lot of adjustment to my home. Working with Mr. Handyman was so easy. When I got in touch with Travis, he was concerned about me as a veteran. What can he do to help a veteran? He already knew what needed to be done, he knew what the ADA requirements were for people in a handicapped position. He's capable of doing from the smallest to the largest of any project that VA might have.